Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese using milk. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on 1 gallon of fresh, whole milk. Gently heat the milk to a precise 90 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally to ensure even temperature distribution. Once the milk reaches the target temperature, carefully sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of mesophilic culture over the surface. Let it rehydrate for a few minutes before stirring it in thoroughly. After the culture has been incorporated, it's time for coagulation. Add 1/4 teaspoon of liquid rennet, diluted in a small amount of cool water, to the milk. Stir gently for about 30 seconds, then stop completely. Allow the milk to sit undisturbed for approximately 45 minutes or until a firm curd forms. Once firm, use a long knife to carefully cut the curd into uniform half-inch cubes. Now we'll cook the curds. Slowly increase the temperature of the curds and weigh to 100 degrees Fahrenheit over 20 minutes, stirring gently to prevent matting. This process helps expel more whey from the curds. After reaching the target temperature, continue stirring for another 20 minutes. Finally, carefully drain the whey from the pot, leaving the firm curds in a colander lined with cheesecloth. The final steps involve pressing and aging your cheese. Transfer the drained curds into a cheese mold and apply 10 pounds of weight for 12 hours, flipping the cheese halfway through. This compacts the curds into a solid wheel. Next, brine the cheese in a saturated salt solution for 6 hours to enhance flavor and preserve it. After brining, air dry the cheese for a few days before aging it in a cool, humid environment for several weeks or months. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.